So here we are now at the demo. You're all set, you're excited. You have the GoSuns, you have the food, you have the equipment, you have the tent, the tablecloth, the table. You're ready, you know the product. Somebody comes by, smile, hi, how are you? You ever seen anything like this before? And use some action so that it catches people's attention. People will literally stop in their tracks and ask you, literally take them out and waft the smell towards them. It's irresistible. Now that we have someone engaged, they're going to ask a question. And that question usually is, what is it? It's the world's fastest, most versatile solar cooker. It's more like an oven, just like your oven at home, and yet powered by solar and really quick and portable and easy. The glass is 4 times tougher than Pyrex. It's really tough. These are simply solar reflecting panels. When you're finished, close them up. When you're ready to cook, open them out. There is no assembly. The food simply is loaded in the tray, and within 10 to 35 or 45 minutes, whether you're cooking eggs, which is really fast, or chicken, takes a little bit longer, you're going. You can just leave it, go and have fun, come back to your delicious food. The other common question we get asked is, what could you possibly cook in that? Hot dogs? Yeah, of course. And who doesn't like a hot dog, especially at tailgating? But 5,000 of our Facebook community kitchen members post recipes from bacon, crab cakes, meatballs, chicken, fish, rice, baked goods, you name it. We even had a solar cooking competition where top chefs and restaurants in Cincinnati, where GoSun is based, came and did a cook-off judged by one of our esteemed chef judges in Cincinnati. The temperature can get up to 550 degrees, and even on a cloudy day, we can still cook. It takes a little longer, but we can still cook delicious food. The kind of people that are going to use the GoSun solar technology are people who go camping, use an RV, caravanning, hiking, fishing, boating in their backyard, at a condo, on the beach, anywhere their lifestyle takes them. The product is really, really tough. It cooks beautiful food. It's easy to clean. It's easy to explain what it is, and it's great fun to use. Now, we've wowed you with the latest in solar technology. Encourage people to go and buy one inside the store. Thanks for watching. I'm Davy Jones at GoSun. Oh, and don't forget, use more sun.